everyone, I'm Tara. This is my 2007 BMW 335 i Hardtop convertible. Today I'll be buying new tires and I'll do a quick review on them. So I was gonna buy tires from the US, but due to the bad exchange rate and the possibility of having to pay more at customs, I decided to buy them locally. So I'm at 1010 Tires and I've decided on Continental ExtremeContact DWS 06. Mostly because I was looking for a performance tire, but also something that was going to be good in Vancouver's wet weather, which we still get in the summer.
So these are all-season tires that have long tread life. The DWS actually stands for dry, wet, and snow. And what I really love is that the tires actually have the letters DWS right on them, marked at different depths to indicate when it's no longer safe in those conditions if they're worn off. There's also crisscross and 3D traction grooves to handle the wet conditions so that the tires really grip the road. The tires are being mounted onto my VMR V801 wheels and then balanced before putting them on my car. Okay, first impression so far, feels great, it's smooth, it's quiet, I don't hear anything, and takes corners really well. So I'm pretty confident with these I won't hydroplane, which I had a problem with in the past when it rains heavy in Vancouver. Don't forget to get an alignment done after you buy new tires. These tires should last a good 25,000 miles. Because I have a staggered setup, it's about double if you have a square setup and you're able to rotate them. Well, thanks very much to 1010 Tires and thanks for watching.